Hello, welcome to GeneTech, where your digital life is secured. In this video, I'm going to show you how you clone your mobile app, whatever app you want to clone. I show you the option how to do that. We have the fourth method, the built-in app option cloning method, and you can use the third-party cloning method. So let us go. On the settings, on the search bar, you type app twin. This app twin, this option is for Techno phone users. Other mobile phones, other brands have their own, wording, like Samsung. You can see Messenger, OnePlus. They have their own wording. So, but this Techno phone is app twin. So you can just type only app on your own. You just search, go through the options. You see the one that is for cloning. Then you click on it. So but if not in your own, that means your phone doesn't have that capacity to clone your mobile app using the default method. You use the second option, which is the third party method. So but this one, you click on the app twin. This option listed here, Facebook, Instagram, Skype, Telegram, WhatsApp, is limited to these options. So this inbuilt app cloning is limited, but the third party option is not limited. I have so many applications you'll be able to clone, but this built-in is limited to these few options. So you just check on it. They will just display on your home screen with a new design to differentiate it from the main application. So this one is just the cloning one. It will appear in your home screen. So the difference between this one and the third party is that this one will just appear on your home screen. Let me show you where it is. You see Facebook, Instagram, Skype, Telegram, WhatsApp, just with a new look. But the third party option will be displayed inside the application, but this one will display on your home screen. So if you are making use of the third party option, you must enter the third party application before you have access to those applications. So if you are to use the third party option now, we go to Play Store. You can search for parallel space. You see parallel space, you can click on this option. Because of this video, I have the option I want to use. It's called two accounts dual app space. This is the one I want to make use of, this application, two accounts dual app space. So we open it. When it opens, we just click on this plus sign. You have so many options to install any application at all you want to install. You click on it, it will install inside the app. You see it will display there. So any application at all will be added. A CapCut is there, TikTok, First Mobile. Any application will display as many as you want to add. We display here. So that is the two options. Either you access it from the application, while the other ones will display, the built-in one will display on your home screen with a new design. So if you still want to remove this built-in one, you still go back to your settings, click on the setting, type the app twin, depending on the mobile phone you are using, the brand you are using. Type the app twin, click on it, uncheck them, and while you uncheck it will close the application. Close the Telegram, close the WhatsApp. So let me show you, all these applications will not be displayed on the home screen again. You see, they are all gone. So this is the two methods of cloning your application. If you have multiple accounts you want to log in, this is the method you use in cloning your application to have access to them with different IDs. I believe this video have helped you. You can subscribe to our channel for more of this. Like and share. Put down your comment. I believe this video have helped you to clone your app. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.